Hi, and welcome to Cultural Diversity at Vineland High School, where our motto is Enter to Learn and Go Forth to Serve. What is cultural diversity? Cultural diversity is the existence of a variety of cultural or ethnic groups within a society. How diverse is our school? We are 62% diverse compared to our state average of 43%. We have 53% Hispanic, 26% white, 19% black, and the remaining percentage is Asian. We also, female to male compared, we are 52% male population to a 48% female population. How do we serve our diverse population? We offer a multitude of classes, electives, and so forth, such as world languages. We offer French, Italian, German, Russian, sign language, and the list goes on. We support Spanish heritage by having a Spanish Heritage Night with ethnic foods and songs and dances by our students. We support African American read-ins, where we read African American inspired stories. Our students even create their own. We have Powder Puff, which is a female football. At the end of the year, our 11th grade and 12th grade come together, and the females are the football team and the boys are the cheerleaders, supporting a diverse population of students, whether they be female, male, or male. Our educators must be prepared to meet the needs of all of our students. We need to be open to all cultures, respect all, and remember, education is our responsibility. Doesn't matter the culture of the student or the diversity of the student population, it is our responsibility to educate them. Making appropriate accommodations for people from underserved or historically marginalized groups to allow them full access to the rights and privileges enjoyed by the majority. That's what is our cultural responsibility. Benefits of diversity. It promotes empathy and reduces prejudice in the long run. It helps to improve student academics. And it helps to better prepare students for global economy. By teaching diversity prepares our students to be global citizens. Remember, we may have different religions, different languages, different colored skin, but we all belong to one human race.